Okay, if this is gonna be seen probably might not be very good. This is my dog Shady, by the way, if you can't tell what that is. I think so. Yeah. I've been away for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. Under the covers, staying dry and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. It starts in my toes and they crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. What am I gonna say? You make me feel this way. I just start in my toes and crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Horrible. I've been asleep for a while now. You tuck me in just like a child now. 'Cause every time you hold me in your arms, I'm comfortable enough to feel your warmth. It starts in my soul and I lose all control. When you kiss my nose, the feeling shows. 'Cause you make me smile, please just take your time holding me tight. Wherever you go, wherever you go. I know it wasn't the best, it was actually kind of bad. So, don't like freak out and put bad stuff on there. I would, but please don't. And my head looks way too small for my body. Oh, sorry. Anyways, see ya.